Hey there, welcome to the garage. I am back from vacation, back from traveling, and got in here and decided to do a little more TIG welding. So just real quick, get you caught up. You guys know, if you don't know, my channel is basically just here. I try to encourage people to just learn stuff, get out and do things with your hands. I spend time kind of working on cars, just DIYing as much as I can, because I think it's good for all of us to learn how and know how to do things, right? That's what I'm doing right now. I'm kind of teaching myself how to weld. I jumped in here a couple weeks ago. I did some steel welding. That was a disaster. If you didn't see that, you can go back and watch that video. So that was so bad. I decided, hey, why not try aluminum? I got a couple aluminum plates, got those cleaned up, and started trying to TIG weld aluminum. And boy, was that tricky. That was MIG welding steel, or TIG welding steel, was hard enough, and aluminum just got really weird. My filler material was balling up on me really bad, and I had everything wrong. You'll see that all of my, like, everything I was doing was just wrong, and it's just a matter of kind of figuring out what's better, voltages and amperages and distances and angles and gas volume and all of that. Ended up just running a few paths without the filler material, just to see if I could consistently keep my electrode at the right height and the right angle, and the right travel speed. And it got somewhat better there. I moved over then to go back to steel to see if my consistency would kind of hold true and improve on the steel piece, and it actually did. I got out a couple of coupons and ran a handful of beads here that almost sort of looked like welding. They're not good by any means, but they're certainly an improvement over where I was last time. I really enjoyed teaching myself how to weld, and I encourage everyone else to do the same thing. Father's Day is coming up. Put a welder on your list and learn how to weld. For those who are interested, I use Arc Captain products. I've got the MIG 200. I've also got a Cut 55 plasma cutter. The MIG 200 is multi-process, lets you weld, use stick or MIG or TIG, and switch between those fairly easily. And it's an inexpensive machine. So I'll leave a link in the description that'll get you 5% off if you're interested. So you can jump on out there and see what they've got, and get you a welder, learn how to weld. I appreciate you guys hanging out. And I'm going to get back to, once again, running some more beads and just seeing if I can continue to improve, and eventually consider myself a welder. I don't know. It's going to be kind of a stretch. And I appreciate you guys watching. You guys have a great day, and I will see you later. Bye.